So yo, what's up? So that other video just uploaded and it's starting to snow pretty good again. So we're gonna go drive over to the other side of town real quick. Oh yeah. Guys, if you need to take a dump, you can just go right there. Just drop a deucer. Deucer in the twocer. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. It's some good snow, man. Look at this, folks. Look at it, man. I'm very happy right now. I'm a very happy right now. Hope you guys are too. Just be very safe, very careful driving up here. You guys know, just take your time. It's about having fun, not going to the hospital when we get here. And getting in accidents coming up here right now, I mean, you gotta also consider that it's not gonna be like they'll be right there. They're gonna do their best, of course. But just be extra cautious, guys. Wow, look at this. The further we go this way, the heavier it's going to be. This is great, man. This is great. Going a steady 30. We're only going as safe as I feel I can go for these conditions, and that's how you guys want to do this. You don't want to do it any other way. Don't follow the speed limit. Just drive at your own pace. Don't let other drivers irritate you or make you nervous. What you're supposed to do is whenever there's people coming up on you, you get over and you let them pass. You turn over to the right side like that, and then let them pass. When a lot of issues begin is when people don't follow the signs and they feel entitled, and that's when a lot of people start getting really irritated. So just please be aware. Anyway, it's 3:30. We get some good snowfall right now. This is terrific. This is 2 lanes, buddy. I love these Escalade trucks. What do you guys think of those? Pretty nice, huh? But I got one of these right here. That exact car, but in white. And lifted with all these new tricks on it and stuff. The best snow tires that money can buy. Unfortunately, we can't apply studs to these tires because California law, the state punishes you just for existing. They'll tax anything they can. Guys, this is awesome. This is so beautiful. Oh, fire ambulance. Hold on a second. Poor guy in the ambulance is on chains, but I bet they have like some seriously advanced chains to where they can drive faster. That's what I would imagine. Yeah. Woohoo! This guy's just driving like me. He's leading the way. No, I'm not driving like that, though. That's just ridiculous. You gotta at least cut them off closer than that, man. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking around. We're getting some good snow in the air. I was gonna post that other little 4-minute video that you guys don't know about because I was talking about it. While the other one was uploading, I had made another video because it started snowing again. And it's coming down. Holy majoli. This is so awesome, you guys. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Man, just gorgeous. Let's get the windshield wipers going a little bit. 28 degrees, and we're getting the big bear sleep. There's like huge sleep piles that are very nasty. This guy thinks he's like gonna pull in front of me, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Especially when I can hit my gas full days and nothing happens. I'll spin my tires and nothing. Oh, I hear ambulance. Get over. I hear ambulance. Fire truck. Ambulance. Fire truck. He's coming, guys. Get out of his way. Get out of his way. See him? He's coming up on the side. Let me help him out with the horse. No, because I don't want to get our air compressor going. It'll take forever. Sweet. Now we got someone to lead the way. My name is Joe. Now I'm about to play in the snow. This is awesome, guys. It's so awesome. It's a beautiful time today and beautiful snowfall. It's the beautiful snowfall. I'm digging it very much. Okay, this guy, I hope he's okay. They're just putting on chains. At least they kind of got over to the side of the road, not in the middle of the road. So we're making improvements, folks. We're making improvements. You gotta love it. This guy right in front of the ambulances, they didn't even bother getting over. It's just unbelievable. Here we go. Look at that truck. That's awesome. That Jeep is awesome. Look at how bad ace some of these trucks are, man. Wow. That is so cool. So cool, right? Look at all this traffic coming back into town. I gotta find a way to get them back into town. Yeah, we don't want to be stuck in this traffic. But unfortunately, it is what it is, eh? It's going to be some of the traffic. We're not going to bother taking the back streets going out this direction. However, oh man, look how big that place is right there. Jeez, please. I've never really noticed how big that is. That's what she, never mind. It's not what she said. Never mind. Yeah, so guys, this is freaking amazing. Man, look at all these cars. This just sucks. I'm not liking it. This is crazy, but we're gonna take the back roads all the way. Or you know what? We might make an we'll make an extension of the video and just go around through Fonskin. I know these videos are getting long, but I want you guys to really get a killer perspective of this good snowfall early in the season. I mean, yeah, this is the time of year we get snow. Yeah, of course, but a system bringing this much precipitation this time of year isn't that often, believe it or not. So, we're very excited about this. Traffic's not too bad. It's already done and over with. Oh, scheisse. But now leaving town. We got all these people going crazy and they're leaving the town. A couple douchebags were like telling me to take my medication. It's just mind-boggling to me. How people are so miserable in mommy and daddy's basement that they get on the computer. Mommy and daddy bought them to just talk smack and project their miserable existence onto me. It's just, you know, like, I just pray for them. I'm very sarcastic about it. Anyway, the rest of you, man, we're a freaking team. We're like Big Bear Angels. Or the Big Bear... No, I don't want to get my butt kicked for saying that. Yeah, I'll be a little quieter here if I can. I've done some of this ice on the windshield like this. Oh, look at that, straight ahead. That's awesome, guys. It's awesome, right? Hang on, take that text message real quick. I'll have to take it right in the kisser. Right in the kisser, it's a pisser. Right in the kisser, it's a pisser. Right in the kisser, it's a pisser. Roll down the wind ski here for a minute. You guys check that out. I love the location of this trailer park. And I've always wondered why people talk so much crap on trailer parks. For me, it's like, I'm thinking they're the ones with the last laugh, because they can get like buy 2 or 3 of those things and attach them, and they're freaking humongous. And then you can, you know, decorate it just absolutely beautifully inside, and you got a huge pad for your money. But yeah. Anyway, we gotta get through this traffic. We could turn right here, but we're not going to. I'll just turn this off right now. Hang on. Alright guys, so we might not end up going all the way out, even though it looks like we just get dumped on even more out there. I don't think we'll be able to make it in terms of time. But then again, you know what? I do have the day off. I just don't want to do this. You know what? I figured out a way to upload the video faster, so maybe you guys will be cool with that then. Because I want you guys to see it. So we'll do that. Anyway, let's run through here right now. I gotta take care of something real quick. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, it's what we got to do, boy. So we're in like the beginning of Boulder Bay, basically. When I used to visit up here, I stayed here one time with my sister and my niece at that place. And I actually had a few customers who lived there. But they moved away. Wow, this is just beautiful, guys. Right now. What's happening to us? Oh, I see you, sir. I see you, sir. Shaking that shovel. Shaking that shovel. Shaking that shovel. I see you, sir. All right, so yeah, we're getting hammered right now, guys. This is insanity. It's so beautiful. Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy for this snow. So happy for the snow, so happy I know. I'm a snowball, you know what I mean. And I took the turn along the catwalk. Yes, on the catwalk. Yes, on the catwalk. Hey, here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what's this? There we go. Okay, so if we can make it right, we're gonna make it right, guys. We're gonna be just balling like champs. Oh man, are these people going slow though? Let's see. I think we'll be okay. Oh man, come on, people. Come on, people now. Smile on the car. Everybody gets me. All right, we're gonna turn it off for a second because we don't. Oh my gosh, maybe we're not. Look how much it's snowing. Holy moly. Guys, this is awesome, man. Alright, so this is Big Bear Boulevard, which is essentially Highway 18 at one point. And we are taking this to the dam, and I'm assuming most of these people are heading out. I don't know why they're heading out. Oh, it's Sunday, that's why they're heading out. And I have a weird influx on the out. It's not called an influx, but I don't know what it's out. Alright, never mind. I just want to, yeah, never mind. Come on. Oh man, this is gonna be a nightmare. We might just turn around. Which is what I think we are going to do. So I see the cars coming this way because the flowers. Okay, there's someone trying to turn. He's flipping a Yui right there, so we're gonna flip a Yui right here too. Hang on. We probably shouldn't be doing this. No, we're good. There's no cars coming. We'll go over the edge, Nick. Thank you. Alright. So we're not going to deal with that. We're going to head back this way where we're going to hit we're probably not going to hit any traffic now into the village because there aren't any cars going that way right now. Look at this. This is awesome, guys. That guy had a cool Misfits jacket. That was sick. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It's dumping. Oh my gosh, dumpage. Guys, we're getting the dumpage here. I was getting some good dumpage here. It's like it's almost blizzard conditions, guys. This is awesome. This is awesome. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Uh-oh, here's cars in front of us. Dang it. I thought we was good. But we weren't. This is going to be another snow update, guys. This is the best one so far. I have to figure out how I'm going to let you guys know that it's the best one of the storm yet. Maybe I'll just feel like this is the best snow update yet. I don't know. Awesome sauce. This is some awesome sauce, man. Yeah, just bear with me a quick second. Alright guys, sweet. So I just had to post the other video that we made earlier because it's done uploading. And this one's gonna be so awesome. I am so excited for this video. Because you guys are gonna see some really heavy snow. So awesome. I don't want to hit any big thick patches here on the right. It'll grab me and then inevitably shut me off to the left. Now we're good though, we're not making that turn anymore. This is so awesome, guys. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's like blizzard conditions, man. This is crazy. Almost. Big patches of snow here. Up, there we go. Up. Down. Up, down. Up, down. Wow, man. Oh, it's happy times. Happy days. Oh, happy days. Happy days. Happy days.
Yes, I'm very happy, man. This make me happy. I like drive through here, make me happy.
If there's not much traffic, we drive through village. Yes, I think so.
Yes, yes.
wish they had this roller coaster open during this kind of weather. That would be so awesome. Okay, so we're in a thick patch of snow. It's grabbing the tires and pulling us. I want to get back in the tracks of this guy. Oh, this guy. Man, we are getting just pretty. Yeah, buddy. Come on, yeah. What is this thing? Hey, buddy. Alright. Oh my gosh, so good. So right around this corner, you'll typically end up having a little jam. So always just be cautious going around this corner. You probably have no idea which corner I'm talking about. And I understand. But yeah, right when you get around the corner, see, pile up, boom. Shakalaka. Look at this blowing right at us in the car. Man, this is so pretty, guys. Oh my goodness. So, are we gonna go through the village? We're heading back the other direction because it's a different perspective. I think we might do that then. Yeah, why not? Maybe if we can get there. We're gonna stop the video for a second so we don't deal with all this traffic. You see the stoplight up here? That's where we're going, straight ahead. So we're not going too far without the camera. Just hang on. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna go through the village. I think this guy's, yeah, there you go, buddy. Atta boy, you got it, man. You got it, man. Alright, we're entering the village. Is that village? Oh, happy days. It's happy days. You guys should love this place. It's a nice place to stay. I believe it's the lodge at Big Bear Lake, a Holiday Inn Resort. This place is another gorgeous spot that I love. A little pricey, but so worth it. So worth it, man. It's fantastically worth it, man. Alright, this is Big Bear's Village. Getting just slaughtered right now. We're loving it. Look at that, snow blowing off the roof. So cool, man. Pick a lane, any lane. These people is crazy, man. This is crazy. Let's see this right here, man. This is beautiful. I like it so beautiful here, man. And we're going to continue through the village, so we're going to make a left, and then it's going to shove us out on the Big Bear Boulevard. That's what we're doing. It's so beautiful. I don't even know what to say. I can't stop singing. It's beautiful. All Mother Day. Man, guys, I love it. It's so beautiful around here. It's very pretty, man. So when you guys look at how much it's snowing, this is just so beautiful, guys. There's the ice cream company right there. you got plenty of room, man. That's a nice truck. Look at how big his truck is. You got that truck and that truck right there. Look at that. Wow. Those are badass trucks right there. This Jeep frame. Oh, it's really coming down, guys. Look at this. I thought this was a bad Jeep right here. Look at this one right here, man. Thanks, brother. Oh man, it's just gorgeous here. Look at that, man. Oh man, guys, I love this so much. It's just such happy times. And then you guys leave those beautiful comments. The last video I haven't had a chance to even look at any comments because I uploaded it while I'm making the other video. Because the weather keeps on changing. We keep on getting just more and more. It's so great. Big Red Boulevard, you can't even see up here at all. So beautiful, folks. You gotta love it. So when we deal with folks who are a little nervous driving up here, once we get to about this point, then I'll just take the back roads. Once it just starts becoming not much fun. So we gotta wait till we get to Ren, which is coming right up. Coming right up. There's Main Street, and then I think Ren's just past it. W-R-E-N, and then we'll take Browning Lane all the way back to my chalet. Actually, we could take night, and we're gonna take night, actually. I'll show you guys what to do here. Actually, we don't necessarily need to. I thought there was a huge traffic jam, but it's just one car right here who's holding everyone back. He's going 10 miles an hour. It is 2 lanes. This guy's doing the right thing. Don't speed. Good job, good job, good job. Using your chains. Very good. Snow tires, man. They're the best. Look at it's white out condition right here. You can't see anything. So you just want to take up both the lanes when you can't see anything. I haven't seen it snow like this in ages, guys. Holy moly, you can't see anything. This is awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh, dude. Blizzard condition for sure. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm gonna have to put blizzard conditions in this next video, man. Because I mean, I think blizzard conditions is like you can't see more than a quarter mile ahead of you or something like that. And I I think we're at that point. We're very close to it. So with the stoplight right here, we got the parking lot that we just missed the driveway. That usually you just cut through there and get into Summit Boulevard. And sometimes it's like can be a disaster, yeah? There's gonna be a disaster. It's crazy this line, man. Guys, look at the snow, oh my gosh. Come on, man. Smile on Let's see if we get a little loose here. Oh no. Yeah, we're good. Okay, now we're to the left on Rowdy. Dude, this is insane. You can't even see the mountain ahead of us or nothing. Alright, so this is the street where we'll get a lot of kids and sledders, so we gotta go really slow. Especially this type of weather. This is so fantastic. Doing our rights. Not really doing much, but it's all good. So this is the Brownie Lane again to the left, or the Brownie parking lot. We're on Brownie Lane. Insane, guys. Just insane. Yeah, slamming on the brakes, nothing. you guys will love. So those Sumitomos were the best tires I ever had, and these ones feel just as good as they do now. Now that I've gotten used to them a little bit. Let's get loose here if we can. That's a little bit. Nice. Alright, here we go. Man, insane, guys. Insane. Plow through here. Plow! Look at this. All new fresh snow just since we left. You can't even see our tire tracks. Unreal, dude. Unreal. It's good. Alright, you guys, so I just want to thank you guys for always being a part. We all thank you up here. We love you very much. And yeah, there'll be another video made shortly. Love you all. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed some of the blizzard conditions we just experienced. November 8th, 2020. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you.